All right, so the porch post is painted. So as you can see here, bring it a little closer. Porch post was painted after it was sanded down. Sanding didn't take very long at all. And since I decided to do this one post as far as the painting piece, I went ahead and did the other two behind it. Oh, there and there. So, finished the porch project for today. Probably have to do a little bit of caulking near the top of the post, but that, again, that'll be for another day. There's always gonna be something. But the porch post is finished. The gutter and the roof on the back roof is also finished. So, on the next project, wonder what that will be. All right, stay tuned for more. Bye.